Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I picked me up a new hobby and I'm actually pretty good at it. So I literally just started embroidering this week, y'all. I have made 3 projects, 2 cool, 1 I failed. So the one that I messed up on was a t-shirt, and I think a lot of people who start embroidery make this mistake, but I didn't lift up the back of the shirt, and yeah, it stitched both of the sides, but I was really happy and I wasn't disappointed because it was a learning experience. And I was looking at the stitches and I stopped my machine to turn the tension up because I'm like, these letters, like, they looking kind of like, I don't know, it's just not giving, because the thread was getting stuck on the back of the shirt too. So that made me happy because I'm like, okay, you got that eye, you got that eye. I initially got this machine from my sister-in-law, so thank you, girl. My brother's wife bought it for me, so I can't just let it collect dust. But we're gonna get into it. I just wanted to let y'all know I'm a new embroiderer. If you're new, subscribe to my channel and follow me so we can learn together, maybe share some tips. And if you are a seasoned embroiderer, I would love to have you on my channel because I might need some help. I'm gonna take you guys on this journey with me. I did go to Michael's today. I grabbed a few things. Now, so I got 2, 2 Gideon shirts. They were like $2. I do want to get some better shirts when I actually start selling them, but for practice I'm going with these. I'm gonna make my husband some shirts with that, and then I got some other things that are for my crochet, so y'all stick around and see that. Then I went to Walmart. There was a couple of things I was looking for at Michael's, and this bottle that was like $8, $9 at Walmart was $20 at Michael's. So I'm already learning. Look on Amazon, look at Walmart, look at all your options, because embroidery is a very, to me it seems a little expensive if you're talking about the software and all the things you need, but you can start with minimum things. But yeah, from Amazon I bought this 25-piece set of pre-rolled bobbins. This is all embroidery thread, and yeah, I just thought it would be helpful if like I'm in a big project or something, just like planning ahead. I used it last night and it was pretty good. This is not a recent purchase, but I got this on Amazon as well. This is tearaway. This is tearaway. I know I ordered cutaway, so now I'm gonna have to get some cutaway because this is tearaway. I mean, it's been working. It's been working pretty well. So before I decided I wanted to embroider, I got these 75 by 11 gold embroidery needles by Schmidt. I don't know, something's just telling me that I really like these gold ones, so I'm gonna stick with them unless I find out otherwise. I got these before embroidering for my first time, and I changed out the needle and everything. Oh, also I got a Q presser foot. It's on the machine, but if you're gonna embroider, you need that Q presser foot. And I was like looking at all these videos trying to figure out what kind of presser foot I needed, and as soon as I opened the manual, it told me everything I needed. So read your manual. 80 by 12. So me and ChatGPT, we've been having a talk, and I've been looking on YouTube. So yeah, I got some thicker needles, some 90 by 14, because I have some design ideas for some really thick fabrics. This is what I'm super excited about. So they're embroidery hoops, okay? Now I have the Brother Se700, so the size is only 4x4, but I've been hearing about this repositional hoop situation. Comes with 3 hoops. This is how you measure. Now I heard that some of these measurement pieces don't line up with all embroidery machines. There's like a purple set too, but this goes with my Brother Se700 because this is literally I got one of these already that came with my machine, so I'm good on that. So this will allow me to make bigger, larger designs. And then I got more embroidery thread. I already have a set of 40 embroidery flosses, but this is 63. So I get about 23 more colors. Immediately, this is beautiful to me. You know what? I see. This is exactly why I needed this. These shades of brown, these shades of brown. All these colors. So now I'm excited. I got some mommy things to do, but I will be making something tonight. I might even try to reposition the hoop. That's all I got for right now. Wasn't much, but I feel like these are going to be very important pieces. I am going to go ahead and get that cutaway stabilizer because I think Amazon sent me the wrong one. So learn from me. I've been learning from everyone's mistakes. I learned from that t-shirt mistake, and now I learned from that to read everything. Lord willing, I'm going to be doing vlogs and just taking you guys on the journey of my new love and passion for embroidery. I still crochet. I am still learning how to sew. I got an overlock machine, so I will be pulling that bad boy out here. I think next week I might focus a little more on sewing because I got some patterns and some pretty fabric. So yeah, follow me on my journey. I'm going to be crocheting, sewing, embroidery with the machine, and learning how to hand embroidery. I already got some of that stuff. Decorating, baking. I'm just a stay-at-home mother who is expanding her skills and doing the thing. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.